If you love peanut butter fudge and you've never had great success making it, then you're not going to want to miss this recipe. It's an easy 4-ingredient, foolproof peanut butter fudge. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're talking about fudge, peanut butter fudge. Now I have tried so many different peanut butter fudge recipes and either I didn't love them or I couldn't get them to set up. I've had so many issues over the years trying to find the perfect recipe until I tried this one. It's foolproof, it only has 4 ingredients and it's super peanut buttery. You're gonna love this recipe, I promise. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. The first step to making fudge is getting all of your ingredients together. It's really important because fudge making is kind of fast and you don't want to have to stop to measure out anything or prepare a pan. So measure out all your ingredients and prepare a 9-inch pan by lining it with foil and spraying it with nonstick cooking spray. When it comes to peanut butter, make sure that you're using a regular store peanut butter like Skippy or Jif or one of those. Don't use a natural one that you have to stir. Combine 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of whole milk in a 3-quart saucepan. Heat it over medium heat and bring it to a boil, stirring it constantly. Make sure that it's a rolling boil. That is a very strong boil, not just a simmer. Once it starts to boil, set a timer and boil it for 3 minutes, stirring it constantly. And then remove it from the heat. Immediately stir in 1.5 cups of creamy peanut butter and 1 jar or 7 ounces of marshmallow cream. The mixture is going to be nice and thick like this. If it's not, there's a chance that you didn't cook it long enough or at a strong enough boil. Spread it into the prepared pan and then cool it to chill it and set it. See what I mean? Making fudge is really fast. That's why it's really important to measure out your ingredients beforehand. Once your fudge is set, you can easily lift it out of the pan using the foil and then slice it into 1-inch pieces. You're gonna store this in an airtight container, stored in the refrigerator. It'll last a few weeks. This is also great for shipping. It's great for the holidays or just any time that you're feeling like a piece of peanut butter fudge. Like I said, this is a foolproof fudge recipe. I promise you it will work. It will set up. It will taste like peanut butter. It's gonna be soft and creamy. It's perfect. I know you're gonna love it. I'm putting this fudge recipe in the freezer, yes, the freezer, for the holidays. You keep watching for more Christmas recipes.